Charging your camera via USB on the go is very handy. I have a very good device that I have used for a couple of months, Omnicharge 20 Plus. Hi, it's Peter here, and let's get right into the business. But we have to say the disclaimer, or I have to say the disclaimer first. This device was sent to me from Omnicharge. They did not ask me to do this video. I wanted to do this video because I've enjoyed the machine, the gear, the power bank so much, and it's been very, very useful for me. So I wanted to share my experience with this particular power bank. And they have not seen this video before, so everything I say is my own opinion. But let's start with the look and feel. The device feels really premium. It's a really nice and smooth surface, so it feels good in my hand. The buttons and the displays are also top class. A long press of the power button will turn the power on, and double pressing you will get to the menu, which is something that you might not use that much, but you can, change the power on the DC port, and if you want to change the language, but there's only 2 languages available, Chinese and English, so you might not want to do that. The display will show how much each port will give power, and also there is an indicator that will tell you how much power there is altogether. And then the specifications. It has 2 USB-A ports, 1 USB-C port, and 1 AC outlet. There's also a DC port. On the top, it also has wireless charging for mobile phones, and that's a really good thing. I've used that quite a bit, and I think that's very handy. The USB port is 60 watts, and the AC outlet is 100 watts. The 2 USB-A ports are 18 watts, and the DC is 100 watts. The wireless is 10 watts. And here are some more specs. And then let's talk about the usability. Like I said, I've been enjoying this for a couple of months and having it in my camera bag just for those moments that I need to charge my camera, because my own one, both of them can be charged by USB-C, and this one is compatible with that, so I can extend the battery life with my own one, and that's a really handy way. And of course, I've also used it for charging my laptop with the AC outlet and also by the USB-C. And that's also very good. How long does it, keep up with my computer is all depends on how much, but what I'm doing. If I'm, editing videos, then it takes a lot power. And if I'm writing the scripts, I can use it a lot longer. But it's a good backup. So if I run out of juice from my laptop, for example, then this is a really good backup battery for that too. And I can charge my own one 4 times, which is quite a lot. So, you could use this for a longer trip too, if you are out somewhere and there is no electricity available. Having one of these and a couple of batteries and you will good to go for many, many days. Because the power consumption of all-in-one is not that bad. You can get, at least 5 to 1,000 images with one charge of a battery. So that's a good thing if you have one of these power banks, and then you can charge it 4 times. And, can charge all other appliances or gear that I might have with me, my drone and etc. So it's been really useful for me. And like I said, I've been using this a couple of months now, and there are not too many downsides on this. The only one is probably the one if I use the AC outlet and charge my laptop from that, the power bank gets pretty hot. So that is not the way to do it, in my opinion. I've used the USB-C port, and that works totally fine. And if you're using the wireless charger, you need to be really precise so that the charger will charge your phone. I'm used to just tossing it over a plate. I have several at home, different types of wireless charging plates, and just can toss it there. And first, when I took this Omnicharge 20 Plus, and I thought it didn't work, but you need to be really precise to set up your phone. But that's not a big deal when you know about it. Other than that, I've been really happy with the device. And then what about the price? This is not the cheapest power bank, but it is a very good value for money. At the time this video was made, in July 2022, the price was 299 euros/dollars. And if you want to get one, you might want to use my affiliate link down below. I will get a small amount, small commission, but you do not pay any extra. So it's a win-win situation. And I can say that this is a really good device to charge up your things on the go. And here are some more videos that you might be interested in. But hey, thanks for watching and bye for now.